Welcome. Thank you for joining forpay.org. This is Consumers Dr. Bengala. Today's topic, robotic psychologist. What the heck is robotic psychologist, you might ask? Well, AI and they've done lots of studies, folks, on Watson computers, Watson IBM computers, and the psychological testing can be easily be done by a robot. I'm pretty sure how many of you are aware bots technology is already here. They chat. You can chat with your computer, you can chat. It basically replies, gives all the information what you need, and also it acts like a human. But when I talk about robotic psychologists, folks, I'm telling you, you don't need a psychologist. It's going to replace all the psychologists. It's coming, man. What I see here, robot is your psychologist, and you don't have to type anything. You can chat with your robot in a relaxing atmosphere right at home, completely fully relaxed, and ask questions, you respond, and it has audio and visual. Folks, I'm talking about audio and visual. You have to be in an atmosphere where it reads your moods. It also reads your reactions. Once the AI reaches to that level, your interaction with your robot is almost human, folks. Human. And even you're talking to a fellow human in a robotic, female voice, whatever the voice you like, you can chat and you can respond. In psychology, there are basically psychological testing on like Minnesota multiphasic personality. I went through this Minnesota multiphasic personality test. It's an interesting, folks. They ask you questions in scenarios, in different situations. How would you react? It's amazing. They can literally, the computers and robots can analyze your human reaction. It can react to your visual things, what they record, and it is being noticed. And with this questionnaire, he'll be able to tell if you have an anxiety, you have a depression, you have schizophrenia, you have aberrations in your mental capacity, your whatever. A lot of people have a lot of, psychology is an interesting field. It can be replaced by humans. Robots can analyze human behavior. Yes. It's interesting time, folks. You might be saying, why the hell do I want to talk to a robot? Well, this is where I'm telling you. The technology is on your side. You use it for your needs and you pay as you go. There's no billing. No billing. The stupid insurance billing has got to stop. I don't like the billing system what we have. Congress is already looking into surprise medical billing. I want to just eradicate the whole billing process. There should be a way consumers need to make the payment. That's the way it should be. That's the only way we can lower the costs. As long as you give the tools to the consumer, even the Medicare should be paying you, not the managed care organization. And let an individual person decide if they want to see a psychologist, robotic psychologist, save money. Yes, it's your call. It's called consumer empowerment. And human psychologists are, you can pretty much tell if you compare with a robot and a human psychologist. I'm sure they're expensive. Psychological counseling is pretty expensive. I will go into each field and explore the opportunities for robot in different healthcare field, folks. This is my passion. Technology is here. Right now, I'm talking to you, and I could see, even at the same time, if I can chat with you, and the machine does the same thing. It can analyze your human reaction and the response you give. Those things are analytical, and computer can analyze it and gives back to you the results in seconds. Yes, that's the beauty about a robotic psychologist. It's a new term, folks, but it's coming. And right now we have virtual doctors, virtual, MD. You can see a doctor sitting at home. Same thing, psychology. You can, you'll also see a psychologist on the virtual MD, but you can also meet a robotic psychologist, which is a lot cheaper, a lot more economical. Like what we were talking about, capsule endoscopy, man. You don't have to go through all the stupid upper and lower endoscopy. You can get all your images right on your phone. The other day I had some problem with my ear. I got a little scope, which is $20. I could look inside what I have in my ear. If there's a wax, yes. I went to an ENT doctor. She charged me about $200. I can literally see and then get some, wax. It's over the counter, man. So these are the things. The technology is empowering you. Guys, thank you for joining. I'll explore each specialty, what a computers can do. This is Consumers Dr. Bengala, forpay.org. We will see you next time. Goodbye and God bless.